Looking to join in on the Google Meet fun but don't have a phone? No problem. In this video, I'll show you how to download and install Google Meet in your laptop. Hello everyone, in this video, I'll be showing you how to download Google Meet on your laptop. Google Meet is a great way to join in on video conferences with friends and family. Now you can do it from the comfort of your home. We'll start off by opening up our Chrome browser, going to google.com. In here, you want to log into your Google account and click on these dots in the top right corner, which says Google Apps next to Gmail and Images. We'll then head on over to the Meet icon, which is this camera. Now in here, we are on the Google Meet website, and in order to download and install the Google Meet app on your laptop, you want to click these three dots in the top right corner, and then go to Install Google Meet over here. There you go, Install App, click Install. Now you can see the Google Meet app on your laptop. In order to uninstall it, you click these three dots in the top right, hit Uninstall Google Meet, click Remove, and your Google Meet has been deleted from your PC.